Nirmala Kenyam. Take a warga Mijel Road and Tama, co online, warga Mulat Kajenu Gore, Y Army, Dunglo Nuer, Rewichka Jonglei State, Gore Jenu Berrighton, Bermatod Bejalatin, Bewargadan Chikan Gorba, Bede Nyokomu de Jaquinia, Kadobadan and Shagorkaja, take a social media and Tama. Akan kono ni amre Läär kana me mi jiram jidit kanor online TV channel gore jeno jen dere jenyo kana sin ko tin ko ken kaderi notification bell dere to an ka kor committee subscribe ko support ka twindu ka subscription ko Läär TV kan chamala shub ko jigwas dana pai ka berech Läär bana la da gore liang ko jejen bor kan gor war ga me ko do bana chalat ka jan Gor jeno jin bishar bi kun pin yo gwasamo mu wargan shagor mulu rode ke jega ke mishi tok wargamo beje nyaka yakel men cha la do shagor wayami dung law Nuer gwaya Kenyam ngai kondiara no shakur mjidi chaja kwan mabot jongle intama gajan gwasame Dr. Guy Cook Janamalana Chakwan Gua Quarenium Chakwan Re which Kajongle State ala Governor Ko be Mal Bejanangre which Kajongle Agenda and Chagos Changajano Pan Kashanka Welkel Kapai Diokron Kinadang Road Jandang Road the Chajalat Quara Chainen Jen Ramkel Kabon Aspelem Pinkirma Yadit Misha turn kon chiaga neni de kon tindetin ke jipadi ke dung kirme yadit tigatin man Michael Makwelwes tigatin ke tut galwa tigatin netung wan ti kwardit re which ka juba tin pin kirme yadit gwaye ban me ban jelin ka dobranen cha gor kaja te ko raj mishalat jechen bor re which Kajongle State warga me gorkana kweren pai kwan ni Dr. Guy Cook warga chikana gornena jokan Dr. Guy Cook no watch kume SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force wike and wikere which ka Jongle take a witty can color no the SSPDF de Jowitin. A can SSPDF to take a rundu shop go where or a witch and binemy, ray witch ka Jongle State. A canishi SSPDF jet ray witch ka wat can a yuiton. Waton can a yuiton, walk and go to continenty, Kume, South Sudan People Defense Force ticketing. Charge may charge a gork dobran chagorgaja. Chiagornena Gor Jeno bi wargam bi jekip jakwen wargam jena kalo Nuer Y Army Re wikuror kana wat jene kende ni tadi ente ka jare which ka Jongle State kuror kana wat kana SSPDF shenkan wuni man kana gat jek tindre wichin winimi kukan ka humiliate kukan ka torture ka kap kan ka pinbo ko do brand kan ngor ka ja ajena me a violation of human right and dong de guard method ka pinke de randa I check de ka pin ka charge be teach kamanda na chilat doy kana loro bang ku ka nam street chikan la no na me chechong gone no en SSPDF de ko wuchre which ka Jongle State ka do ran jikan lat kani lusnei so ko kujamo jan gone no di rajame di jeling ka de ja gorno bi kapchong cha ka rajamo jikan kwen baja kwen ya gwasame ka talk English ka do ran en chi kana lat ka ja ko no kono banten ko lat ko din banakaling ka do ran cha gor ka ja Chicken Ladder request for withdrawal of Taliad deployed military from Nuer land, Waton and Yuiton. Dear Governor Riek Guy Cook, I am writing to bring to your urgent attention serious human rights violation occurring in Nuer land or Uror and Wat. Men, women, and children are being subjected to physical abuses, humiliation, torture, and even sexual violence. These acts of cruelty are deeply concerning and violate fundamental human rights. Victims, including children, are being beaten, mistreated, and there are reports of sexual violence against women and girls in both countries. This situation requires immediate intervention to protect the vulnerables and hold the perpetrators accountable. I respectfully request that your office investigate these allegations thoroughly and take a swift action to ensure justice and the safety of all affected individuals. Dear Governor Riek Guy Cook, I am writing to bring to your urgent attention serious human rights violation occurring in Nuer land, both Uror and Wat. Men, women, and children are being subjected to physical abuse, humiliation, torture, and even sexual violence. These acts of cruelty are deeply concerning and violate fundamental human rights. Victims, including children, are being beaten and mistreated, and there are reports of sexual violence against women and girls in both countries. This situation requires immediate intervention to protect the vulnerables and hold the perpetrators accountable. I respectfully request that your office investigate these allegations thoroughly and take a swift action to ensure justice and the safety of all affected individuals. I urge the government to provide protection to the victims and take necessary measures to prevent such incidents in the future. We kindly request your support, guidance in implementing these steps and ensuring the successful completion of the withdrawal process. We are also open to discussing any additional measure that you may deem necessary. We appreciate your attention to this matter and look forward to your prompt response. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Sincerely, Real Chol Paul, NAS Defense Force, Neural Y Army. This letter was written on 10th March 2025. According to this letter, the letter is written by the Y Army in Nuer land, in Wat Town and Yue Town. They are requesting the new governor, Dr. Guy Cook, to remove the SSPDF stationed in Uror and Wat due to the violence they are causing to the community in both Uror and Wat. Jero jadahan chikan larane me chikan mo kana gorno no. So many sharo garping gwasama whether this is a catch ki a talk many garping, but according to manan chikan gor janana gor jano de nyaga yekel and if you take a mal ban yo jegum dian chuje pro jino jin subscribe kan online TV channel. Bye bye.